Hello everybody, today we are going to be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. I'm gonna go in the server that Ari's in.
Can I invite you to my party?
I'm inviting you to mine.
Dang it! How do you accept?
There's a button that says accept.
Where?
Okay, what team am I? I'm gray, so... Wait.
I think it's white.
No, someone else is white. Wait.
No, you're black. You're black.
Oh, I'm black. No, wait, Ari, just press... I'm going on your team. I'm going.
Yes, you can join my team. Let's make a boat.
No, I'm making my own boat.
You're making your own boat?
Yes. Ari, come on my boat. No, don't use wind blocks. I'm going on my boat.
Why? The levels are good. Okay, bro, we're not trying to have the easiest. Nah, dog. Yay!
Ari, your boat looks so good.
Thank you.
Ari, your boat is so good. Oh my god. Yes, let's go. I'm cooking. Oh no.
Yo, Gabe, I'll be back for you.
No, you won't. Also, make sure to like and subscribe. My goal right now is 50 subscribers. I hope we could hit that. We could hit that goal. Oh gosh, bro, this is so hard.
I want a
Cook.
cannon, you know, so I can blow Gabe's boat up when I come near him.
Nope. Except you're not gonna come near me.
If I have a rocket booster on here.
You're not coming towards me. Little cheese man. Oh, you monkey movie, I'm gonna stay on the seashore.
Get chill.
I died.
Gaby food.
Don't call me that.
Oh.
No, what did I just... Get this off my screen. Ari, I need to join back. I don't need to join back.
I'm a landmobile. Gabe, I have to tell you something sad.
What? Ari, come on my team. I accidentally left and rejoined. I'm green team.
Oh my gosh, bro's a green. Oh! Wait, can we actually make a legit boat this time?
Okay, Ari, just...
Hey, we're not building it out of this crap.
That's all I have. Come on, I'll put a chair for you. I'll put a chair for you. There, get in the chair.
I'm good.
Okay, I'm gonna launch. Unless you don't get on. I'm gonna launch.
Good, bro. I'll cook by myself.
Okay.
I gotta get the balloons on.
Oh my gosh, Ari. You have such a good boat. Oh my gosh.
Bro, you gotta stop doing this.
You have a good boat.
Oh, what is that?
It's time for One Piece. Dun, 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 dun.
Wait.
Oh no, Blackbeard. Over there, Blackbeard. Oh no. Oh, yeah, go.
Gabe, I'm still cooking. I died.
Max joined my team.
You pay.
I'm cooking. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm actually cooking. Come No. Yes. Come on. Let's go. Oh no. Oh no. Yes. No. I got touched by popcorn. That's how I died. I got touched by popcorn. Popcorn touched me.
Okay, this time do not launch until I say you can.
Okay.
Okay, I'm being completely for don't launch.
What?
Don't.
Who said I was going to? Max,
What, Gabe?
I want to launch.
Not yet.
Someone go on my master boat. Someone go on my masterpiece, please.
Bro, Gabe, this is what a masterpiece looks like.
Max, press start. Press
No, don't.
launch. Please, Max, I need this. Oh, we're going. Oh, Max, come on. Come.
Look at my booster!
Max, come. Come on my boat. Max, come on my boat.
I'm good.
No, actually, come on my boat.
I can't.
Just walk on my boat. There's literally a chair
No,
here.
you guys are kind of slow. There's no chair.
Yes, there is. It's right next to my chair.
Gabe, come next to my boat, and I'll come on. Ah! Ari, let me come on yours.
No. Ah! Owie. Owie! Yes. Yes, queen. Bro, now no one else can launch. Nobody else can press launch.
Gabe, I bombed your boat.
Owie,
It is now one for humanity.
I'm not even on my boat.
I still bombed it.
No.
Yeah.
3, 4.
Gabe, I'm gonna help you.
No, you're not.
Arf, 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 arf,
No,
arf.
no.
Arf, 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 arf.
Stop. Bro.
What do you hear in the background? Wow! It's you, Mary! Wow! Beautiful! Oh, you that big one. Nobody start. Oh, you that big one.
Owie, actually stop.
What am I doing?
I hate
You're singing doo-doo. I'm just kidding.
You shouldn't be.
Lol.
Who wants to come on my masterpiece?
Dib's not it.
Oh. Are you
No, come on. Like legit don't start right now.
Max,
Yeah?
start.
What? Gabe, how did you get back over here?
Start.
Me?
Yes,
No,
you.
don't.
Yes. He's on top. Oh, he has a cannon. He has a cannon. Owie is getting cooked. What the? What?
I'm dodging rocks like Superman. Pow! Oh, dang it, I missed Gabe.
Owie, stop.
my brother's having a crash out. Ow, 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 ow.
I'm cooking. I haven't gotten hit once.
Ari will never
Oh my
hit
gosh.
me.
I have to cook.
I bet Ari won't catch up to me unless I die. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
This goes. Party in the USA.
Max, no. Stop. Stop.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
I'm at the pizzeria. Ah.
Wait, what do they do? Oh, they do that.
The people from the pizzeria shoot lasers at you. Ooh, scary. No, they can break your monitor stuff that helps you control your boat. That's what they're trying to do. Yeah, they broke mine and I'm stuck. And there's a hammer.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I died in mustard, bro. I died in legit mustard.
Oh my gosh. I'm still cooking.
Ding, ding, ding.
The controls are opposite. I don't know how to control. Oh my gosh. Wait, Ari! Tokyo Drift! Tokyo Drift!
Bro, no way. Need to get the gaming chair.
Ari, I'm bold.
Gotta put a random thing there, you know, because random things are...
Ah! No! Ah! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Max, launch. Me, Muster, and Kit. My bad, bro. It's the big 2025. If you still play Steel Rivera 2025.
It's 2026.
2026! My bad. Imagine saying it's 2025 and 2026.
Yeah, Ari, imagine.
Okay, you don't gotta be.
Stop, bro.
Comment.
As cringe videos like this get more than 100 views.
So
Yeah.
cringe gets views.
Yeah.
Do you know what the X-Men are?
No, I don't, and I don't want to know. Stop.
Superheroes. And I don't care. My attitude, my style, my friendship ended with Ada. Ari, what are you doing? It's nothing much. Why did you put a bomb on mine? No reason. Gabe, help me.
No.
He put a bomb on mine. Does this still shoot correctly? It does.
Ari, stop. That did damage to me.
Emotional damage. Max, I gotta do something. What? You did not hit me at all. Max, you know I have a bomb there for a good reason. A good reason. Ari, actually take it off. Why? I don't let you. Ari! Stop! Get flamed, little Timmy. Ari, actually stop. It's annoying. Stop, Ari! Okay, my bad. So, you can get down there and then we'll start. I got this. And actually delete this bomb. Bro, trust, it's just for decoration. Oh! I'm flying! Who started?
Me.
I'm flying!
I like starting.
Skibbity bop bop. I didn't even finish.
We do not care.
Guys, I'm flying.
Everybody, if I at least make it to the pancake part, you have to like and subscribe. Do the deal. If I don't make it there, then you don't have to like and subscribe.
This is too hard.
Oh my gosh. I'm not taking a single hit. I'm crazy!
You died too.
Oh
Yeah,
no,
I
I
died.
took it.
Yeah, I kind of went flying into the air. I died first thing because it started and I wasn't even finished. I was
I'm
nowhere
cooking.
close to finishing.
I'm actually cooking. Yo, let's go. Remember, if I need to make it to the pancake part, then you guys have to like and subscribe. If I don't, then you don't have to like and subscribe.
Matt, come on. Do you want to go on it with me? My boat. Nah.
This
I don't
alien
really
part.
wanna. I'm trying to make a tall boat.
Oh no, my boat.
Max, can you launch? Not yet. I still need to get ready. I need to prepare my boat. Because I haven't even put the...
Oh gosh.
Fruit. I like fruit snacks. I am taking deep song. I like deep song. Deep song don't taste like food. Deep song. Oh, but
Oh my gosh.
Gibbity room.
Come on. No, I'm actually dead.
Wow.
No, I'm not even gonna make it to the pancake part.
Oh no! What shall we ever do? I don't. Oh no! What shall we ever do? Artie, what is that sound in the background? Little kids. Your brother and a little Timmy? Yep, pretty much. Are they annoying or nice? Annoying. How dare you? Max, can you
Oh no.
start?
Oh my gosh.
Somebody weird came to our island. I don't care. That's offensive. No, it is not. You hurt my feelings. I actually have emotional feeling. Be nice.
I made it! I made it to the pancake part! You have to like and subscribe.
What the?
Now.
Oh yeah, I can see him. Gates, someone start the match.
Hurry, I'm gonna come on your boat.
Wait, no, I can't. Wait, let me finish this one part.
No, Ari, I'm coming.
Fine, start. Wait, no, not yet. Not yet.
Wait, hold on.
Let you in 1 minute, you can start. Okay, can you place down two? Oh, you don't have balloons.
By one.
Let me get the motor. Wait, no. Bro! It's floating. Question mark, what is this? We're getting ready for departure. What the freak? That's why I didn't want you to start. Don't worry, the rescue boat. Finish. Don't worry, the rescue boat is here.
Everybody, I'm gonna end the video here. Like and subscribe.